Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we will discuss about express minus 17 in 2's complement form. So we have to represent minus 17. Okay, so first we have to convert this minus 17 to its positive representation, that is 17, correct? And if you will represent it in a binary form, then it will be 1 0 0 0 1, correct? And if you will represent it in the 8-bit, then this is the 4-bit, and then again we have to fill the rest of the 4-bit. So this one is the positive representation, positive representation of the number 17, correct? Now I have to convert it in the ones complement form. So if I'll convert it in the ones complement form, it will be 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, now to convert it in the 2's complement form, I have to make a plus 1. I have to add plus 1 with this ones complement form. So this one is nothing but the ones complement form. So I have to make a plus 1. So 0 1 0 1, if I'll add it, it will be 1. Again nothing is there, I mean we can consider 0 over here. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. Again for this one will be 1. Again for this one will be 1. 0 1 1 1. So this is nothing but the 2's complement form. This is nothing but the 2's complement form. So if you have any question regarding this question, write it in the comment section. I will try to solve your problem. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.